هالسؤال كان في واحد من الأسايمنتس. عندنا the complete combustion reaction, propane and air are fed stoichiometrically into a batch reactor to produce carbon dioxide, water and heat. What is the value of the expansion factor? Okay, so the general combustion rule is CXHY plus O2 will give us CO2 plus H2O. Okay, كيف نعرف شو الإكس والواي؟ الجنرال رول is CnH2n plus 2 ونحن عنا propane يعني C3 so C3H 2 times 3 plus 2 is 8 so we're considering C3H8 فالreaction in this case بيكون C3H8 plus O2 will give us CO2 plus H2O. This equation is not balanced, we have to balance it. So أنا بخلي ال basis of my balance على البروبين فبحط هني 1 هني A هني B وهني C. We're gonna perform the balance on the carbon atoms first. So بنقول إن هني عندنا 3 times 1 وهني عندنا 1 times B. So 1 on carbon 1 times 3 equals B يعني B equals 3. إنزين بعدين بنشوف الهيدروجين atoms عندنا هني 8 times 1 وهني عندنا 2 times C. So 8 times 1 equals 2 times C يعني C is equal to 8 divided by 2 which is 4. بعدين الأكسجين atom عندنا 2 times A 2 times B 1 times C. So 2A is equal to 2B plus C. عندنا ال B وال C من هني we're gonna substitute so 2A is equal to 2 times 3 plus 4 which is 10 over 2A is equal to 5. So the balanced equation بيكون C3H8 plus 5O2 will give us 3CO2 plus 4H2O. بمسح اللي فوق كله لأنه we don't need it anymore. عندنا البالانس equation هم قالولنا أن عندنا air so في الair عندنا inert اللي هو nitrogen ونعرف أن air is equal to 79% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. الحين نحن نبغى البيسز يكون الأكسجين so 1 mole of oxygen equals how many moles of nitrogen. Simply بنقول أن الراتيو بينهن الراتيو is 79% N2 equals 21% O2. We're gonna divide both sides by 21. This will cancel this and then we're gonna have that 3.762 moles of N2 is equal to 1 mole of O2. زين فآخر شي وصلنا له أن عندنا 1 mole of O2 is equal to 3.762 moles of N2. نحن in this case عندنا 5 so 5 moles of O2 equals how many moles of N2. بنسوي cross multiplication وبنوصل أن عندنا 18.8 moles of N2 per mole of O2. هال 18.8 in our case is the number of moles of the inert and the number of moles of the inert initially is equal to the number of moles of the inert at the end which is this number right here. Epsilon is equal to YA naught times delta. Delta in this case is the total number of moles taking into consideration their signs. So عندنا -1, -5, 3 and 4. so negative 1 minus 5 plus 3 plus 4 delta is equal to 1. بعدين ال YA naught is equal to the initial number of moles of A, which is 1, over the total initial number of moles. YA naught is equal to 1 over 1 plus 5 plus 18.8, which is 24.8. YA naught is equal to 0.0403. بعدين epsilon is equal to 1 times this, so simply epsilon is equal to 0.0403 بس.